Introducing the new GARDENA retractable hose reel. With easy installation, it's ready to go right out of the box. Watering made easy thanks to our 180-degree swivel bracket.
Groom your grass and get your shrubs in shape with the Hedger Joe HJ604C Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sun Joe. Now those post-mowing touch-ups in tight spaces can be made fast and easy with Hedger Joe's 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Power up instantly with the push of a button and start shearing or shrubbing without the inconvenience of a gas engine or cord. Hedger Joe's rechargeable battery power makes it eco-friendly and maintenance-free, so you'll never need to deal with gas, oil, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic hydrocarbon emissions. Hedger Joe features an interchangeable blade system that easily converts from grass shear to a hedge trimmer. Both the 4-inch grass shear blade and the 6-inch hedge trimmer blade are constructed of durable steel for long-lasting and reliable performance. Hedger Joe weighs just 2.5 pounds, so it's easy to handle and effortless to control whether you're shrubbing or shearing. It also features a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. This dual dynamo will deliver reliable results you can see every time. So when it comes to grooming your yard and garden, go with Joe. The Hedger Joe HJ604C Cordless 2-in-1 Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sun Joe. Get it quick.
No matter how many holes you need to dig, you'll finally enjoy every part of gardening with the HomeBuddy Auger drill bit set. Since each hole only takes mere seconds to drill, you'll make a massive dent in the time needed for your next big landscaping project. Thanks to universally sized Hexagon chucks, both of the augers can be effortlessly mounted to almost any cordless drill. The chucks are also non-slip, so you can trust this tool to get the job done safely. And the shorter auger is ideal for tasks like planting bulbs, while the longer one comes in handy for larger plants or fencing. These exceptionally sturdy drill auger bits are irreplaceable if you're dealing with soil that is dry and hard, rocky, full of roots, or rich in clay. Plus, the solid steel shafts and consistent welds ensure that you can count on the HomeBuddy soil augers season after season. We all know gardening can be demanding, but with this drill auger set, you'll spend less time drilling holes and more doing the things you love. So what'll your next dream project be? HomeBuddy, living with inspiration.